Today in this video I show you how to do split screen on your Android device. In some devices split screen option is inbuilt. So first let's see how to do this. You have to open recent tabs and now choose the app you want to use as split screen. Now you have to press and hold the app like this. Now click on this icon. Now click on back. Open another app. Now split screen will show on your device like this and work like this. You can change size of split screen. If you want to undo split screen, then you have to simply press back icon and your screen will become back as it is. Now let's talk about if you don't have inbuilt option. You can use a third party app which name is split screen dual window. You can download this app from the link given in description or you can find this app in Google Play Store. Now open this app. Now tap on this. Now you have to turn on enable service. Then you have to turn on multi-window. Now press home button. Click on three dots on the left side and now choose the app you want to use as split screen. You can change size of your split screen like this and you can move your split screen anywhere. If you want to go back, simply touch on cross icon. So this is how you can do split screen on your Android device. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.